Hi everyone, this is Emil Ibrahim. This is week 2 update with Lori. So how is it going so far?
It is going good, I feel.
Okay, did you lose any weight over the last 2 weeks? Or?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so did you learn anything new or anything that might help you in reaching your final goal?
I actually, yes, for sure. I think I'm missing some pieces. I struggled with this actually for many, many years of not being able to lose weight even if I eat very well.
Yeah.
But I'm learning some things in this program that I think I have a missing link that I'm not getting.
That's right.
That I can change so that I can reach my goal.
That's right. So that's why like we are not focusing too much at the beginning on like how much weight you are losing, right? We are focusing more on understanding the root cause of the issue.
Yeah.
And how to change your lifestyle. Like this is the main challenge because it's not an easy overnight to change your lifestyle. You have to step out of your comfort zone, be consistent, have a lot of knowledge of what you are doing, and it has to be under medical supervision as well, right? So that's why we are taking different approach. It's not an easy, there's no shortcut for losing weight or improve your health. It's a challenge for sure, right?
Yeah.
Right? But do you think, like, based on what you learned so far, that this program you find it beneficially and you learn something new that might will help you in the future?
Absolutely. There's things that I thought I knew and I had educated myself about that was not quite on track, and I really think some of the things you've talked about that we're about to learn, I think they are going to be the deal breaker for me to finally kind of overcome where I have not been able to get.
That's right. But how can you know that, like, verify the accuracy of the information like we are learning? Like,
the videos have been amazing to really understand and see the truth behind a lot of
things. We also
things.
use the best-selling box as well. So all the information we are using as a reference, they are accessible for everyone, right? So like I didn't invent a new diet or a new program or something like that, right? It's just more like I would describe my program as more educational more than diet.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
Because the more knowledge you have, the easier it will be to change your life.
I feel very motivated. I'll tell you,
Very
I don't feel too motivated but I'm very motivated about this because this is so the right approach, and I know this will work for me.
Have you tried this approach before?
No, not quite like this. No.
Okay, so this is something new,
yes.
right? Okay,
yeah.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, so I look forward to have an interview with you next week. Okay, very good. Thank you so much.